Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can set automatically deleted your old post on Mastodon social app. Okay, so if you want that after few days your old post will be deleted from Mastodon app or in your account, so you can easily set this setting. So how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So you need to go Mastodon apps on your phone or app store app. So click here the settings, top right corner on your screen. Then scroll down. Then here you can see the option account settings. This one. And then click here, three line, top right corner on your screen. And then click here, automated post deletion. This one. Just click on this. Then here you can see the option automatically deleted old post. Okay, it's by default the unmark the box, this one. So when you click on this, then automatically deleted old post. And after that, when how many times you want to keep your old post, so you can select here 2 weeks, and it means after 2 weeks your post will be deleted. So you can set your duration here. And there are some option here. You can check this which things you want to keep your timeline, or which things you want to delete it. Just check these settings, and after that mark and unmark, and it's happened. Okay friend, today is no more, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.